Hi everyone, welcome to YCloud. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create and use a data connector with a real example. A data connector is a deeply embedded integration tool that connects real-time external data to YCloud. It's ideal for handling queries that teams frequently need but require external system data. Next, we'll demonstrate the full setup process using a real-world example. From the left menu, go to Integrations, open Data Connectors, and click New Data Connector. Give the connector a clear name that reflects its function. In this example, we name the connector WhatsApp Template Get. In the description, specify its purpose, such as checking the approval status of WhatsApp message templates. Once the name and description are set, we move on to API configuration. First, in the API request section, we configure the URL and method. You can find the required endpoint in YCloud's API documentation under WhatsApp templates. Copy the endpoint URL into URL and method and select the appropriate HTTP method. Next, define input variables, the data required before using this connector. In this case, we add a variable for the template name. Then, add the required request headers in edit headers. For example, add XAPI key, which can be copied from the API key section in Developers. Once everything is filled in, we proceed to testing. On the test response page, click Test Request to verify data retrieval. In this example, we test using an existing template name. Note that test requests are real API calls, so GET is recommended for testing. Once the test succeeds, click Set Live to activate the connector. After activation, the connector can be used by chatbots, flows, or automation. With data connectors, conversations can fetch real-time business data automatically. Feel free to share the use cases you want to build with data connectors in the comments. Don't forget to follow YCloud for more WhatsApp automation and integration tutorials.